it looks like the Aam Aadmi Party methodology needs some updates. Their dress, however, is all the rage. In fact, the AAP has been setting fashions all over the political landscape. Our correspondent has the story.
Hi, hello friends. I'm your host Monica. Welcome to Neta's Night Out, the show where we track all the hot and happening trends in the world of politics. We have some great new fashions this week. They are spreading like wildfire. BJP leaders are looking ahead and with it in their new Modi for PM caps. And please note the very fashionable design. Now, where have we seen that style before? Any guesses? Meanwhile, Mayawati is rocking her own cute blue elephant caps. Tailor-made by the same tailor? I'm wondering the same thing about Rajasthan CM Vasundhara Raje. Here she's posing while stopped at a traffic light with no security and no official bungalow to go home to. Yes, that's right folks, your guess is right. Everybody's shopping at the same store these days. Brand AAP is the hottest brand in town.
Wait, रुकिए मैडम, मैं कह रहा हूँ कि जनता दरबार was my idea. I started it in Bihar. AAP only copied it from me.
What? Really?
Yes, हम कह रहे हैं कि I am the real trend setter.
Oh, in that case, here's a special trendsetter cap for you, Nitish Kumar.
अरे वाह, लाइए पहनाइए, भाई, it looks nice, very nice.
It's the latest fashion. Smile for the cameras.
Poor Nitish pioneered the one trend that didn't catch on. But just imagine, Mayawati sacrificing her annual birthday bash. What'll be next? Akhilesh Yadav apologizing for Saifai?
पैकअप ये कहीं बंद करो, बहुत हो गई तुम्हारी. शट द कैमरा, बहुत हो गया.
Excuse me, what's going on?
बहुत बोल लिया तुम्हें हमारे खिलाफ, बहुत देरी बदतमीजी. Now pay the price for it.
Hello, what are you doing? You can't just shut down my show.
Why not? I have already shut down 2 TV channels in my state. Then why not your show?
Take a seat, Akhilesh Yadav. I'm glad you brought up this issue yourself.
ठीक है.
Just because the media criticized you for the Saifai Mahotsav, where you sang and danced while riot victims were dying.
Stop! Shut up! Stop! Again, you are repeating the same old things. You people owe me an apology. This is too much.
Well, as I was saying, just because we criticized you doesn't mean you ban us. It's illegal and undemocratic.
My papa attacks me at home. My opponents attack me in public. I try to take a break and relax. And you media people bounce. How can I go on this way?
Well, Akhilesh Yadav, nobody said being Chief Minister of UP was easy. But look, we are not biased against you. It's not just you we find fault with.
Prove it. सबूत लाके दिखाओ. I don't believe it. You are biased.
Well, for example, this week we are looking at Mayawati's true motivations for scaling down her birthday bash.
ओ इसको कहते हैं अपने पैर पे खुद ही कुल्हाड़ी मारना.
बहन जी, आपके जन्मदिन की सारी तैयारियां हो गई हैं. हर साल की तरह इस बार भी इट विल बी ए मल्टी करोड़ मल्टी स्टार गैदरिंग राइट अंडर द ग्लेयर ऑफ मीडिया. और इस बार मुंबई से आपके लिए डिजाइनर हैंडबैग, सूट और जूते भी मंगाए हैं.
Are you crazy? How can I celebrate when people are suffering in Muzaffarnagar? La, get the list. I must cut it down. Oh, kya katu? This list is so toned down and basic to begin with. But make this 100 kg cake a 98 kg cake. ठीक है भाई. What else? Yes. Yeah, remove 2 10 रुपए के note from my garland. There. Now this list looks perfect.
Anything else, madam?
Instead of a birthday bash, let's throw a rally. हम इसे कहेंगे सावधान विशाल महारैली. But better way of letting the media know of my sacrifices. और जल्दी से प्रेस रिलीज निकलवा दे.
ये अच्छा वाला था प्रेम. She is such a hypocrite ना.
I hope you are satisfied that we don't criticize you exclusively.
But you will still continue to criticize me.
Of course.
But then I still want to shut down your show. Pack up, pack up.
Oh, come on, Akhilesh. I know you don't really want to shut us down.
Eh? What do you mean? I'm saying I want to.
Yes, but very often what people say and do is different from what they mean.
But I am not like that. I say what I mean. And I mean to shut down your show.
All right, Akhilesh. Go ahead and shut it down.
Eh? But aren't you objecting that it is illegal and undemocratic?
Well, no, because we are out of time.
But
Yes, that's right, folks. Akhilesh gets his wish, and we are blacking out. Until next week, of course. I'll see you then with lots more tamasha on another episode of the Great Indian Tamasha.
no,
Adios.
no. फिर से चालू करो. You tricked me. Cameras, keep rolling. पापा देखो हमारे साथ बेईमानी कर रहे.